dive into the development of the main interface and explore the essential functions of the LL antivirus system. We'll guide you through the interface design, focusing on its intuitive features, and explain the core functionalities such as scanning, detecting malware, and managing potential threats. Let's get started. Main interface. The LL antivirus main interface is your central hub for all system interactions. It's designed to be visually appealing and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users of all technical levels. From here, you can perform key tasks like scanning files, managing reports, and monitoring system activity. Let's break down the interface components. The Scan File button allows you to analyze individual files. The Folder Scan button scans entire directories for threats. For a comprehensive check, the Full Scan button examines your whole system. Use the Report button to view detailed summaries of detected threats and actions taken. The Pause and Replay buttons let you control ongoing scans seamlessly. The status display keeps you updated on scan progress and system notifications. Finally, the Detection Files section and Progress bar provide real-time insights into threats and scan completion. File scanning. To scan a specific file, click the Scan File button. A panel will open, allowing you to select a file for analysis. For example, selecting 1, text initiates a thorough scan to ensure the file is free of threats. If a suspicious file like com is detected, the system provides 3 options. Quarantine the file to isolate it. Delete the file permanently. Ignore it if you choose to take no immediate action. These options empower you to manage threats with confidence. Quarantine files will be highlighted in red and securely moved to a designated folder for further review. Folder scanning. Need to scan an entire folder? The Folder Scan button is your go-to. Select a folder, and the system will thoroughly analyze its contents. You can pause the scan anytime and resume it later, ensuring convenience during the process. Suspicious files detected within folders are handled just like individual files, with options to quarantine, delete, or ignore them. Full system scanning. For a complete system check, press the Full Scan button. This feature inspects every file on your device to ensure maximum protection. As with other scans, you can pause and resume the process at your convenience. If threats like AskLex.dll are found, they'll be isolated or removed, keeping your system secure. Reports. The Report button lets you review the system's scanning history. Specify a date range, and the system will generate a detailed PDF report, including file IDs, scan times, file paths, and results like clean or suspicious. This report, saved to your desktop, provides a clear record of system activity and security measures.